Now I'm gonna pick 2 imposters. So if I tap your shoulder, you are the imposter. Terrace, I want you to open your eyes and turn around and get a good look. Now flip around again, because you only get a second. You disperse. Game has started.
It's you again, isn't it?
No, I'm
Oh. Whoa, whoa, damn guys, calm down.
Mother!
Whoa!
Yeah, no, I'm glad to see.
Whoa! Hit! Oh, right at the last second. Ooh!
Yo, Michael, you won!
I thought you were gonna signal before you opened fire. Oh, I'm sorry, man. That was very nice.
I was right by the store and all I see is him blow his gun and go boom, boom. I was like, well, I guess I know what I'm doing. Alright, you ready, James?
Does this mic work? Sorry, ADHD. Ow!
Western one to try and test my chemistry, see what happens.
Ah! Stay away from me! Call your hits! Call your hits! Ah! Ah! Keep running!
No!
Get down! Stop resisting! Ah! Get down!
Get back here!
Airsoft! Airsoft, I mean Joe. Let's go. Okay, come on.
I think you won. You got one in my mouth.
Mimi, me.
Hit! Owen! They're in the woods! Let's go! Hey, I'm gonna go around the back. That looks really. I'm gonna. Oh my god, this is like mud. God damn. Man, he's ready. What the?
What the?
I think we're good to move up. Eh. Get. I should have listened. I cannot wear that anymore.
You're wearing a hoodie?
I'm always wearing a hoodie.
Okay.
I think this right side's clear.
I 100% think
Yeah. My shit's shooting. Come on, man. There's 2 right, just they're looking this way on the red.
Game's about to end.
Huh?
Game. 55 seconds.
Hit! You got my thumb. I was just spraying. I heard him say hit.